We can create a simple landing page in many ways. The top 3 ways are using Clickfunnels or Wix or a managed web host. A Clickfunnels is a drag and drop builder. Actually, it's very useful to create your sales funnels easily. It's a simple process. You can create your sales funnels or registration page or membership page. Anything you can easily create in Clickfunnels. Similar like Wix is another one platform. You can create your web page easily in Wix by using the drag and drop feature. Wix and Clickfunnels are self-host, so we don't need any hosting separately. But if you prefer a WordPress, you need a hosting and domain name. If you are a technical person, something a technical knowledge, you can prefer a wordpress.org, a open source, and you can install the WordPress CMS in the hosting account. But you need a hosting and domain name separately. If you want to avoid that, if you want to give all the works to somewhere and you just want to create your landing page, and if you want to concentrate on the marketing, affiliate promotions or etc., so you can prefer WP engine, because this is a better than the normal WordPress. Because WP engine is a self-hosted, so you don't need any hosting account separately, and they will take care of all the server issues and the website speed and all other important features they will keep inside in WP engine. So you can just concentrate on your marketing activities only. Before you creating a simple landing page, I suggest you some important points you can consider to create your landing page. The first one, before creating your landing page, you define your goal. Which purpose you want to create your landing page. It may be if you want to getting a sign-ups, or if you want a new orders, anywhere. Maybe you are selling a product, or you just want a user registration or anything. You just define your goal. You create your landing page for that purpose. The second thing, pick a call to action button. Call to action button means it's a order now, sign up now, get this offer. This is a very short words. It makes urgency to the visitors, so you can get the leads very easily. Use these call to action buttons in your landing page. The next one, you write a catchy heading. Heading is very impressive. They are more visible to your visitors in your landing page. So create your headings, very catchy titles. Then after that, using the video is very helpful compared to the normal text, because people are lazy. They are not ready to read 1000, 2000 words paragraph, but they are interesting to watch the videos. That's why most of the smart marketers are using videos. The next thing, you use a form. It may be a sign up form or a registration form. You just include in your landing page. So your visitors will input their name and email address, so you can follow up. Maybe they are purchased or they are not completed your sign up form, the next step. But once you receive their email address, you can follow up them after a week or month. So using a form is very important in landing pages. These are the very important points you consider before creating your simple landing page. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you on next video. Thank you very much. Bye.